So the After the Unboxing series has been going very well recently. If you guys haven't seen an episode yet, basically what happens is that after we open up a beater box, I show you guys exactly how much money I make on the beater box, where it could be different than the projections you guys see on screen initially. Could be higher, could be lower. We look at all of that information, which is, I think, really good for you guys if you guys are trying to like sell sneakers. So that's been going really, really well. I did see some suggestions in the comments that people want to expand this series into the hype boxes as well. Hype boxes are a little bit different because you can sell like Supreme or you can sell like Bape and stuff, so the markets are a little bit different. But if you guys are interested in that information, I don't mind sharing that with you guys as well. So the box that we're going to be examining today for After the Unboxing episode 4 is going to be $1,000 Soul Steals Hypebeast mystery box. If you guys haven't seen that episode yet, I highly recommend you watch it first over here, because none of this episode will make sense if you guys don't watch that. So watch that first and then come back to this video. So stay tuned. We're going to find out exactly how much money we made on After the Unboxing episode 4 right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Warrior here, back again with another video. In this video, we are looking at an After the Unboxing for a $1,000 Hypebeast mystery box. We have seen a number of $1,000 boxes, but this is the one that we've opened most recently. I believe it was like in March. The highlight of that box being the Off-White Air Max. So we're going to be doing this video the exact same way we've been doing the first 3, which is we're going to be putting up over here what the projected numbers were in the video, what I thought it was going to sell for based off of, you know, market projections, how much it was selling for in the past, and just using history basically to determine these kinds of values. Sometimes we hit these values, sometimes we don't, but I'll show you guys over here on this side exactly how much we sold it for in comparison to this. We did utilize different like reselling apps, and we also utilized the web store untitledhawaii.com. If you guys haven't checked anything out over there, I would highly recommend you guys do that as well. Anyway, for this video, we're starting it off with the Supreme waist bag spring summer 2018 in that blue colorway. So on the projections, we said it was going to be about $250, which is insane for a waist bag. But like I tell you guys, like these waist bags, they can go up in value a lot, and it's only been like less than a year and it's already shot up to $250, which is great values. However, at the time I wasn't patient and I didn't wait for that value, so I ended up selling it on an app for $230, and after fees and stuff I only took back $204. So we're gonna round that to $205. $205 is $45 difference than what I thought the projection was gonna be, so that kind of sucks, but it's still great value. So that's what I mean about why these After the Unboxings are good. I can put up any number I want over here, but the only number that matters is how much it sells for, right? So that's important on this side. Complete transparency with you guys. I love sharing this information. This is why I do it. The second item was a Supreme gradient sleeve hooded sweatshirt in like a red design. That one was a size large, and we projected it at $160. I ended up selling this one on the web store untitledhawaii.com for $160. So we hit the projection right there, which is good. So the next item that we sold was the Bape Katakana college tee in like a gray colorway, size large. That one is tough because Bape is like a hard mover. A lot of the time people can't make resale on Bape. I think they retail for like maybe $100, and then maybe you can make like $20 over, but for the most part the market is not very good for Bape. Resale is very hard for Bape. You got to be like an experienced seller for that stuff. It's tough. Anyway, we projected that one at $110, and we ended up selling that on untitledhawaii.com, the web store, for $110. So we hit the projection again. The next item out of the box was the Supreme boyfriend tee, that Thrasher tee in a black colorway, size large. We projected that one at $100, and we ended up selling it on the web store for $99, but again, we'll just round it up and say that it was $100 to make all of this a lot easier for me to do calculations. Suck at math. So yeah, we'll say it was $100, so we hit the projection again. Another Supreme t-shirt that we sold was the Supreme The Killer tee in like a gray colorway, also size large, but that one we projected at $150. We ended up selling it on the web store for $155, so that's an increase of $5, which is good, recovering some of the difference we didn't get on the Supreme waist bag. So yeah, good stuff right there. The last item in that box, the money shoe of the box, was an Off-White Air Max 90 in a black colorway. That one was a size 11, and that one we projected at $520. And what I see in the comments a lot is people like throwing shade, basically saying that your projections on the screen and stuff in the video are so off, like you're not like including taxes, you're not including fees and stuff. I actually do that. You guys just don't realize that, I guess. But yeah, that's why I calculated it at $520. And what's surprising is that this one sold for $595 on GoDaddy. So So 595, I projected at 520. That's a huge difference, and that is because I calculated in the fact that I'm probably gonna have to take out fees in order to sell that shoe. So that's why I projected it at 520 instead of 595. Anyway, after fees and stuff, we actually sold that one for 533. So we're just gonna round it up to 535 over here. So that was higher than the projection of 520 by 15 bucks. We almost made up the difference from that waste bag. So on the video, we said that the projected like total profit was gonna be about 290. But when we actually sold everything, we made 260, which is 26% profit margin, which I think is still very, very good. If you are able to cop higher tier hype boxes, then like 25% value is like usually where I see it, 25 to 35%. But yeah, I think that number was pretty darn close to our projection. So it just shows you guys like we're not just throwing up a random information on the screen without like calculations or without like, you know, actual like due diligence basically on like figuring out these numbers. That's why I do these videos for you guys, to show you guys that this is the potential for you. If you want to sell like Supreme, you want to sell Bape, you want to sell sneakers, like it is possible. It's not just numbers on a screen. These are actual dollars and cents that you're getting back in return. But anyway, that is it for that hype box unboxing. I'm not sure how you guys felt about this one in comparison to the beater box series, but I do want to get you guys' feedback on this. If you guys did enjoy this and you guys enjoyed seeing like the hype box side of it, the Hypebeast mystery boxes, then let me know in the comments below. I can make more videos like this in the future. If you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to subscribe down below. If you guys did like the content, don't forget to hit that like button as well. And if you guys want to join the channel memberships, do not forget to hit join. And I want to let you guys know that the more channel members we get, the better stuff I can give away like on those secret drops. Like I'm hoping eventually if we get like a certain amount of members, I can give away like Yeezys on there for $0 for free. I even threw an example on the community post that if we get like 400, 500 members, I could be giving away like Travis Scott's on the website for free. Everything that I get from the channel memberships, it goes directly back to you guys, like literally. That channel membership isn't for me. It's to create a community, to create the Untied Ohana, and to give back as much as I can to you guys. So the bigger that community grows, the more I can give back. So if you guys do enjoy being channel members, let the people in the comments know that you guys like it. What do you like about it? What don't you like about it? I want to give back as much as I can to you guys. So that's why I do that. It's all for the Ohana, man. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this after the unboxing series. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot.